Hi, in this video I'll be sharing with you on how to upload videos in your Instagram instance. First of all, you have to make sure you have an updated Instagram app. By going to your Play Store, type in Instagram from the search bar, click on the open option. If you see open option, so right here you just go back to the home page. From this section, you click on the message icon here, click on the plus icon here, that's the instant icon. From here you can take your video, which can last for a maximum of 6 seconds. Now you can also snap from this section, take a picture if you want to. Now when you take this video and upload it, it will upload immediately and share to your friends. So when this happen, you can, if a video was sent immediately, by maybe by mistake you don't want to actually send that particular video and it was sent immediately, you can actually undo it by going to this four dots at the top right corner, select the particular picture you want to or photo you want to delete, and delete it from this section. So guys, that is it on how to upload videos on Instagram instance. If this video was helpful, do also follow Glider Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.